8001. Laminated wood spars may be substituted for solid rectangular spars. A. Only in certain instances where the primary load is shared by one or more other original structural members. B. If the same quality wood is used in both. C. Only upon specific approval by the manufacturer or the FAA. The correct answer is B. In situations where the quality of wood is consistent, it is permissible to replace solid rectangular wood spars with laminated wood spars. Laminated wood spars, composed of layers of wood bonded together, can serve as a suitable alternative to solid rectangular wood spars. This substitution can be made without compromising the structural integrity or performance, as long as the wood used in both types of spars possesses the same level of quality. 8002. The strength of a well-designed and properly prepared wood splice joint is provided by A. The bearing surface of the wood fibers. B. The glue. C. Reinforcement plates. The correct answer is B. The glue. In a properly prepared wood splice joint, the primary source of strength is the adhesive or glue used to bond the two pieces of wood together. The glue creates a strong bond between the wood surfaces, distributing the load and allowing the joint to withstand forces and stresses. As the strength of a well-designed and properly prepared wood splice joint primarily comes from the adhesive or glue used in the joint. 8003. Where is information found concerning acceptable species substitutions for materials used in aircraft repair? A. AC 43.13-1B. B. Aircraft specifications or type certificate data sheets. C. Technical standard orders. The correct answer is A. This document specifically addresses acceptable methods, techniques, and practices for aircraft inspection and repair. It provides guidance on various aspects of aircraft structures maintenance and repair, including acceptable species substitutions for materials. 8004. In cases of elongated bolt holes in a wood spar or cracks in the vicinity of A. It is permissible to ream the hole, plug with hardwood, and re-drill. B. The spar may be reinforced by using hardwood reinforcing plates. C. A new section of spar should be spliced in, or the spar replaced entirely. The correct answer is C. A new section of spar should be spliced in, or the spar replaced entirely. When dealing with elongated bolt holes or cracks in the vicinity of a wood spar, the most appropriate action is to splice in a new section of spar or replace the spar entirely. This ensures that the structural integrity and strength of the spar are fully restored, providing a reliable and safe repair solution. 8005. A faint line running across the grain of a spar generally indicates A. Compression failure. B. Shear failure. C. Decay. The correct answer is A. When a faint line is observed running across the grain of a spar, it is typically an indication of compression failure. Compression failure. Wood spars are subjected to various forces and stresses during their operation. Compression failure occurs when the wood fibers in the spar become compressed and start to fail along the grain, resulting in a faint line across the grain. This is a common type of failure in wooden structures when subjected to compression forces.